Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, iCloud error. Your carrier may charge for SMS messages used to activate iCloud. So here you will see two buttons, cancel and dock button. So first thing you need to check is to go to the settings, and in the settings you go to the general. Just go to the general, and in the general you need to find software update. Here you can see it. So just choose software update and just check for latest updates. Here you can see that my software is latest software, that's why I haven't any updates. So another thing you need to check is to check your two-factor authentication. So just try to turn off two-factor authentication and just turn on again. So also you can try to sign out from your iCloud and just sign in again. And also you can the simplest way is to try to restore your phone, but also if you are looking this video, so you just try it. I think you try this. So also you can try to do hard reset, so just press two buttons. So it also depends on the model of iPhone you also have, because in my model, in 7 iPhone, it's you can make hard reset by pressing home button and low volume button, and just wait until you will see here silent to power, slide to power off, and just press these two buttons until you will see here Apple logo. So just press these two buttons. So here you can see this Apple logo. So just release your fingers from your phone, and now your phone will successfully restored. So just Google what combination of buttons you need to press on your model of iPhone to make hard reset. So this is a way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.